Yeah, and we try to develop the country because of these people. So,
Johan sir, welcome to Chhattisgarh.
thank
It's
you.
a great honor to share this moment
Thank
with
you.
you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Unnati.
Unnati. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. So here let me introduce you about the fellowship program.
Yes.
Fellowship was as an initiative was started in 2008 with just 11 fellows, and with the years, it's more than 2,500 fellows have joined us, including me.
Yeah.
So
You're from
before,
Chhattisgarh?
I'm from Jharkhand.
From Jharkhand. Okay. I was just in Jharkhand last 2 years.
Okay.
Where was part of Jharkhand?
Bokaro, in Bokaro district. So, so I had some key aspirations before joining the fellowship program, which can be leading ourselves, impacting on the ground, and had with some role-specific knowledge and team management skills. So we have some mindsets and goals also. Like when we go to the field, we had to put some values and key principles that can be influenced without authority, with growth mindset. So I have joined this fellowship journey with a seva bhav. That means committing to the society and contributing with them. So fellowship is a transformative journey. When we joined, we had some preconceptions in our mind. So we first unfold it, and then we go to the society, work for them, understand them, and show our role in this. And during all the process, we learn to enjoy the process. So fellowship is a 23 months journey.
How many people in your cohort or your group at one time? How many people? How many fellows are there? Fellows are coming at once.
There are 29 fellows.
So the 29 will go through this together? Sit down?
Together. So this journey makes us a nation builder. I want to highlight some key processes like community immersion, where we live with a tribal family, understand their cultures and their challenges for 21 days.
So you live in a village?
We live in a village. And then there is a leadership curriculum where we have some assessments and we learn with our co-fellows. And then we have field support. We go to the field and contribute ourselves every day for 7 hours. And we work for TB prevention, health system strengthening, and many more things. Then we have some private dream articulations where we reflect on ourselves.
So what was your private dream? If you want to share publicly. Did you
So
have
I want to go for higher studies. I want to pursue PhD in sociology. So I am preparing for a junior research fellowship also. And then I will pursue this.
I hope your dreams come true.
Thank you, sir. And then we have public system project
Yeah.
where we go to the field, view the challenges, and try to bring the solutions. And the more detail we'll share about my fellow co-fellowship. Thank you.
Thank you. So nice to meet you.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम सनी जैसे और मैं गाजीपुर में मैं करंटली डिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहा हूँ। तो इन्होंने जैसे पब्लिक सिस्टम प्रोजेक्ट बारे में बताया, तो जब हम ग्राउंड पर जाते हैं तो कुछ छोटी छोटी समस्याएं हमें फाइंड होती हैं। उन समस्याओं को अगर हम लोग कुछ इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं, छत्तीसगढ़ में वाटर 29 करोड़ द्वारा अलग अलग इनिशिएटिव जिसको मैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल में बताऊँ, जैसे एजुकेशन को लेकर रोल मॉडल इंटरेक्शन करे जा रहे हैं। अगर बच्चा 10th के बाद अगर उसको करियर में कुछ मुझे ले रहा है तो रोल मॉडल इंजीनियर डॉक्टर इसके माध्यम से हम लोग इंटरेक्ट कराते हैं कि वो उनके करियर में करेक्ट आ जाए। साथ साथ ही स्मार्ट क्लासरूम के बारे में डिजिटल लिटरेसी के बारे में लोग अवेयर करते हैं। इसके अलावा लाइवलीहुड में देखें तो मैनेजमेंट के बारे में लोग बताते हैं। साथ साथ सोलर सिस्टम इंस्टॉलेशन और हेल्थ की बात करें तो एनआरसी रेफरल हो गया और इंप्रूव न्यूट्रिशन की हर घर में वो सब योजना कैसे पहुँच सकें। तो इन पहल को लेकर हम लोगों को अवेयर करते हैं, जिससे समाज में एक सकारात्मक बदलाव आ सके। तो इस सकारात्मक बदलाव के कुछ ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट आए जिसको मेरे साथ चेतन यादव साझा करेंगे।
Is Shamana Manish and he is a math system. And what he's trying to say is, during the fellowship journey, when they go to the field, they try to assess the gaps in the field with respect to education, livelihood, health, and based on those, they try to integrate the support system. So here are some examples, such as in education, how to give the career guidance to the students who are actually need of that smart classrooms or digital literacy because nowadays a number of scams are happening.
And Shriram doing the
Yes,
livelihood
yes.
Sailor machines.
Yes.
So
These are some of the examples and it's very much with our peace corps.
Yeah, right. So you're a skilled tailor? My grandfather and my great grandfather, they were both tailors. So he used to make men's suits. Family business.
These are some of the examples for nutrition, waste management,
Yeah.
different varieties.
And do they share the benefits?
Together.
Yeah. Every
And
week
also with the system also. And on every day basis, these fellows interact with the team and also amongst themselves every day.
And this is the Fairmont flagship. I remember the Fairmont Fairmont. Do we partner?
Yeah, we do partner and we also support because of our kind of collaborations now. More and more, we encourage more and family fellows to take health, TV,
Yeah,
and so they are return with that. The partnership is growing.
Thank you.
So, Jai Lord sir, I am Chetan Yadav. I am from Chhattisgarh, assigned in Balot district of Chhattisgarh. Actually, as Siva said about public system project, so there are several impactful changes. But sir, I would like to highlight some impacts.
Yeah.
So, one of my co-fellow Unnati, during our previous support, she got to know about the incident or cases about some digital scam.
Oh, digital scams.
So she started initiated that with the collaboration of the PRI, Panchayati Raj institution, and she started initiating spreading awareness on digital literacy. So in this way, the villagers they are using their phones securely, and significantly they are reducing the risk of scamming.
Yeah, of course.
So this is a small
Great.
impact. And let's move to another impact, sir. One of my co-fellows, Shivanand
I was
Madheshia.
gonna say, I know that guy.
So, sir, he visited Anganwadi in Jamhi village of Balot district. So he observed, sir, that in the Anganwadi there is no any essential utilities such as examination table, privacy curtains.
Yep.
So which hindered the health care service to the community. So he initiated that with the collaboration of PRI member, Panchayati Raj institution, and also with chief medical officers. Regular follow-up, he finally able to provide the utilities with the support of stakeholder. So this is a small effort by the Shivanand. This is last but not the least. This is last but not the least, sir. This is my own experience, sir. During my community immersions, 21 days of community immersion process, I observed, sir, that the 65% school students are unaware about their career choices.
Right.
And you won't believe, sir, as per the Bharat Aspiration Report of India,
Right.
that 93% schools do not have professional career counselors, and 22% students drop their studies after 12th class. And so there should be a mentor. Like if I talk about the America, sir, America have a one mentor in the ratio of 250 students.
Yeah.
But in terms of India, there is one mentor's ratio 50,000. So this is a very big gap, sir.
Yeah.
So I initiated Project Sangwari Role Model Introduction Program, sir. I am trying to introduce professionals from different backgrounds, like engineer, from police, like medical fields,
Yeah.
and we want to share their real life experience with students,
Right.
so that students can get benefited, learn something from role models, and students have open platform. They can choose their own pathway according to their interest, no any pressure. So these are some initiatives from us.
Great.
And I hope, actually, sir, I hope and I fully believe that small change can bring a positive impact. So we are on the keep, sir.
Tell them they should be all become diplomats. It's a great career.
And would love to hear some thoughts and feedback, sir.
Well, this is wonderful. Thank you to all three of you. When I was young, I worked also in underserved communities in the United States, in Africa, in Burma, and similar things where you meet people who have dreams that are big, but they don't have a network. Right? They don't have the connections, so they're isolated from each other. And what you're doing is creating a new network. And it's beautiful to see this. Once I meet you and you meet him and he meets you, suddenly we share information. Because you know 10%, you know 10%, I know 10%, you know 10%. But together, now we know 40%, and we start to build more. And this is amazing. We're very excited to partner. United States, people of the United States want to be equal partners with India. We don't come here to tell you, you tell us what the needs are. We try to listen with our ears. I always say, listen and learn, don't teach and preach. So we come here to hear that. And sometimes we get ideas that can help people in our country, but also in underserved communities too. In my city, I was the chief minister of Los Angeles, Hollywood, the city. And I would go to communities where same thing, children, they have dreams, but they have no idea, how do I get there?
Yes.
Or they don't think I could be a police officer, I could be, a doctor, I could be a teacher. But when you connect them with somebody who comes from there, so that role model thing is very, very important. My father grew up in a very poor family, and he was the first person to graduate university, become a lawyer, and he was a politician. He was the head prosecutor for Los Angeles. And every time kids would see him, they're like, oh, you grew up rich, you have a Mercedes Benz, you're, and he's like, no, I started just the same place as you. So we have to see ourselves and other people. So I think the feedback I would give you is this is exactly right. We're proud to be your partners. Thank you for being our teachers, not just, our collaborators. Thank you.
Would you like to
Yeah, I would like to take a picture. Come on, here, come on front. Come on here.
I said, would you like to get
Yeah, sure, you know what?